Chiropractic care has been practiced for over a century, but do we truly understand how an adjustment works? For the first time, Dr. Shawn Thistle and Dr. Simon Wang bring you an in-depth e-seminar exploring the science behind high-velocity, low-amplitude spinal manipulation. We're breaking down the latest research on neurophysiology, biomechanics, and pain science to give you a working model you can use in your practice. This course is designed for practicing chiropractors, students, and healthcare professionals who want to enhance their patient care and stay ahead of the latest advancements. Sign up today for just $249.99 and take your understanding of chiropractic adjustments to the next level.